outside this hall. So don't question my opinion.
I am not questioning your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the chairman of this committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your prejudicial.
Kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo an investigator, we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo dito.
Mr. Chair, we are still investigating. Mr. Chair, nag-iimbestiga muna tayo. The point is, an investigator cannot be judged at the same time. Do not judge.
We are not judging.
No, ang importante rito is the objectivity, sinasabi ko na sa'yo eh.
Are you trying to steal the show?
No. I am raising prejudicial question. I am, ang sinasabi ko,
to prevent the proceeding?
Mr. Chair, sinabi ko na sa iyo, the interest of this committee is the impartiality, the objectivity. Sana huwag kayong magbibigay ng opinion. Why did you choose, for example, Bryce over to this guy?
That's my opinion. You cannot question my opinion. Outside of this hall, you cannot question my opinion. You also express your opinion.
I am questioning your opinion because you are the chairman of this committee, Mr. Chair.
What's your opinion?
Ang mangyayari nito, so, mas credible si Bryce kesa Diskaya. Bakit ganon? Why are we trying to prejudge this? Hindi, Mr. President, we are still in the process of investigation. If we are in the process of investigation,
why are you
then
so
we should not
protective of
judge.
the Diskayas? Why are you so protective?
I am not protecting them. Mabuti sinabi mo yan, Mr. Chair. Pwede ba nating i-record ito? Palagi niyong sinasabi, I am protective of the Diskayas. When I was chairman of this committee, sinabi ko na sa inyo, the only remedy provided under the law is for them to apply if they qualify under the process of witness protection program. That's all what I did.
Session is resumed. Session is resumed. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
I am questioning the proceedings.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed.
Go ahead.
I will register my continuing objection, Mr. Chair. I will question the objectivity of this proceedings. If you will not allow me to raise this point, maybe in the plenary this afternoon I will raise it.
Go ahead. Mr. Alcantara, you proceed with your statement.
Your Honor, okay lang po bang makapagbigay ako ng opening statement ko po?
Proceed.
Ano pang gagawin natin dito? Ipag-proceed kayo without giving hearing niya?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Tinatanggap ko po na ako po ay hindi nakasagot sa maraming tanong mga nakakaraang muling araw upang maproteksyonan ang institusyon na aking manalo sa loob ng 30 taon. Subalit, itong mga nakang araw, ako po ay nakapag-isip-isip na tumulong na lamang po sa investigasyon na ito para po sa